Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner strength. It's time to dig deep and stay consistent. The rules of business is a business does not blow up and become successful or does not receive profit until 2 to 5 years of being in operation, in service, in production. So whatever you're doing is going to take time. Dig deep, finish strong, be there for the long haul. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. It's time to get your endurance up. Show up and show out every single day. Show your strength because your results will be amazing. Inner strength, as you build that up, the stronger you become, the bigger the blessing. We're coming from the studio, the couch, or your friend's couch, to the studio, past the studio, to the house, the single family house. Past that, we're going to the mansion. Past that, we're going to the penthouse. We're going to the acres of land of generational wealth. Put in the work, the strength. The stronger you are, the bigger blessings that can be trusted to give to you. Nothing moves me from my path to light because I have complete confidence in myself. I realize my innate qualities and abilities, and I know with God, I can do anything. You're a healer, you're a life changer, you're a motivational speaker. You're going to change so many lives right now. Your abilities are unmatched, and God has showed you these things, so there's no way that you can lose. You shall be rewarded. Just keep moving forward. All the power I need is within me. You understand it, so dig deep. Don't look to the left or right. Don't look for anyone to help for you to do this heavy lifting. Do the lifting, and then at the right time, the help will come after you develop the results, and then it will become easier. But you have to put in the hard work first. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.